Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, excuse me.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
Happy New Year, you guys. I am back again with another video in this new year 2024. Just taking the time out to wish each and every one of you a happy, blessed, prosperous New Year's. As you guys can see, my hair is dripping wet because I just washed my hair, so my hair is freshly washed. And in today's video, I have an exciting one in stores for you guys. So stay tuned. So if you guys are new, hi, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about natural hair, as you guys can see from the natural hair contents. And also it's all about glorifying God. So I love to share faith talk. I love to share about the goodness of God. In this channel, you'll see a little testimony as well. So yeah, this is what my channel is all about. Faith plus curly hair. So I'm gonna get straight into it. As I said in the beginning, I'm so excited, you guys, because today is a good one. Today's video is a really good one. I will be sharing my new brush. Guys, I've been waiting so long for this brush. I had my eyes on this brush so long. Take a look. Take a look. So it is the Bounce Curls Define brush. This was a little surprise from my hubby because before purchasing it, he heard me talk about this brush a lot of times. And then he went ahead and he surprised me with it. So this was one of my Christmas gift that just arrived, like literally one day away. And I was so excited. I didn't get the chance to do any unboxing. I went ahead and I opened it one time, and so far I am loving it. Ooh, okay, this point right here, it is meant to separate. So if you want to section your hair while doing your wash and go, it separates. And what caught my eye was this part right here. These right here, it is made to separate your curl strands. So the hair actually goes through these waves right here and it separates it. So this is like a game changer for me because what I do with my wash and go, I tend to separate them hand by hand, finger by finger, and then I go on about my business. But this brush will do all the separation for me, and it is known to be to speed up your wash and go process. So this, when I read this, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it because I oftentimes take long with my wash and go. I said this numerous times on this channel. I love to take my time. I love for my hair, my curls to be really defined. But this will help me speed up my wash and go time. So I am so excited about it. And also, it was a little gift from my hubby. He heard me talk about this brush so many times that he himself went ahead and he ordered it for me, and it is here right now. So it was one of my Christmas gifts, and I am loving it so far. Now, let me start show you guys what you guys have clicked on this video for. I'm gonna start right now. As you guys can tell, I am really excited. So here I go. So I went ahead and I sectioned my hair into four sections. So this is the little piece that I will be starting off with. So for the ladies who have been asking me, how do I start? Do I have my hair soaking wet? Is it damp? As you guys can see from my shirt, my hair was soaking wet, but it is now damp. So I'm gonna start. And of course, reviewing a brush like this, I had to go back to my oldie, goldie, surely daddy gel. Guys, this is my favorite gel. For the old subscribers out there, well, I'm not calling you guys old. But for those who have been with me from the very first video, you guys know that I love this gel. This is my favorite gel ever. For the new subscribers out there, it is a gel, yes, but it is a moisturizing gel. Yes, it's actually a moisturizing gel. When this dry on your hair, it does not leave your hair crunchy and hard. It leaves your hair soft to the touch. I love it, and it really defines the hair. It gives you curls for days. Well, not actually for days because with this gel, I know I already gave a review on it. With this gel, the curls does not stay long as the Echo gel would keep the curls. It no, when it comes to long curls, it does not stay long. But when it comes to moisturized hair, soft hair, shiny hair, this is the gel for you. So I'm gonna start with my daddy gel. As you guys can see, I have it in a big jar. I know you guys that I am doing a Eco Styler gel reviews, testing it out, but I had to put the Eco Styler gels on the side for this one because of this beauty right here. I had to go ahead and went back to my oldie goldie but surely. So it smells like perfume. Let me stop chatting and start right now. So I'm gonna take some of the gel, put it on my hair. I hope this piece is not too big. This gel is nice, really, really nice, really, really nice. Guys, my intention for this gel was to become a seller, and unfortunately, my dream has been put on hold to becoming a seller of this gel. Why? Because I live in the Caribbean, and in order to ship things away, like let's say if I have to ship this gel away, it's gonna cost me a fortune. It's gonna cost me a lot of money. So for now, my dream has been put on the side, but I'll pray about it and I'll ask God to make a way where there seems to be no way. Because this gel is the bomb. It is worth the hype, you guys. Okay, now let me go ahead. Okay, as you guys can see, I am clearing out the hair. Okay, I'm clearing out the hair, clearing it out. And now I feel like I haven't put enough, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add some more. Gonna add some more gel, and then yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try to get it and the angle for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, you guys are okay. Let me turn my head. So this is my first time using this brush, you guys. So I'm trying to get the hang of it. Let me go. Ooh, okay, okay. Wait, what? It's like a finger coil my hair. Let me try this again. Okay, I got it. So these are the separation of the hair. Ooh, whoa. Oh wow. Oh, oh, excuse me. This is beautiful. Whoa. Okay, so you have to get the hang of it. But this is nice. This is really nice. Wow. Let me proceed. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. Okay. Wow, wow. Let me continue, you guys. Whew. Okay, I'm seeing a little frizz here. Nothing that a little smoothing wouldn't help. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna continue off camera, and yes, I'm gonna come back when I'm almost to the front. Okay, guys? But so far, I'm loving what I'm seeing. Okay, so I am outside, just like how I love to do after a wash and go, just to give you guys a better view of the curls. So this is what the results is looking like. And let me start, guys. I am loving the curls. I haven't seen such curls, such amount of curls in my hair for a very, very long time. It reminded me when I used to do the finger coils one by one by one. But with this brush, it is so rapidly done. Wow, the curls are just popping. Let me turn in the back for you guys to see. Yes, the curls are popping. As my hubby says, it makes my hair look more full. Although my hair is thick, it makes my hair look fuller. So this brush will be really good for those ladies that have really thin hair and want to make their hair look full, want to fluff out their hair. With this brush, you won't need to do that, guys. It makes your curls look really full, and I am loving it. I cannot wait to see how it will look once it's dry. The curls are really, really defined. Now, what I would like to say about this brush, because I love to keep it real right here on this channel, I have different patterns of hair. So let me break this down for you guys to understand more clearly. In the middle of my hair, let me see if I can show you guys like hair. At the crown of my hair texture is more of a faux type. So when it comes to there in the back of my hair, I had to really get in there and give it some TLC, some tender loving care. I really had to separate small section, take my time, go over and go over and go over once again with the brush in order to get like the really clump, nice, frizz-free curl. I noticed wherever I have type B hair, it was curling automatically. I didn't have to give it much effort. It was curling really nicely, smoothly. But wherever I have type 4 hair, I really had to go in there and give it some extra love. But overall, I really love this brush. If you guys haven't yet tried this brush, go out, buy it, try it out, and come back and let me know how it works with your type hair. Okay, guys, so yes, I'll come back once the hair is dry. That way you guys can see how it looks. Yeah, how it looks once dry. Okay, you guys, as promised, I am back with the results. I am now in my bathroom. It is now evening, and my hair is not 100% dry as yet. It is about 80% dry. My ends are dry, but my root is still a little damp. But nevertheless, I'll be closing off this video with my honest review. You guys, my curls are so beautiful. My curls, once dry, are so gorgeous. I love this brush, you guys. I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. I did not get paid to say this. As I said, my hubby was the one who purchased this brush for me. But nevertheless, I love it. I really, really love the fact how it gives me beautiful curls. Beautiful curls. It gives me volume. My hair is really big, and this is first day hair, and my hair is already big. I love the fact that the brush it separates it. My hair has a little frizz at the back, but nevertheless, it's that good kind of frizz, that volumized frizz. I love it. And yeah, so you guys, I'll invite you to go ahead and purchase it. If you haven't purchased this brush as yet, go ahead and do so because it gives me bomb results. I'm eager to see how it will do on your hair. Leave some comments down below for me, guys. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide.